Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the booking.com confirmation email not received. First, go ahead and open your Gmail app and then click on the three-line option in the top left corner. Scroll down and check your spam or your junk folder carefully. The messages may be sometimes filtered there. Next, wait a few minutes as emails can sometimes be delayed. Try refreshing the page time to time. Then you can also check your booking in the app under my bookings or my trips. Now, if needed, request the confirmation email again or contact support. That's how you fix the booking.com app not received error. Subscribe for more quick fix.